In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate reviews on Shopify product pages. Adding product reviews is one of the easiest ways to build trust with your customers and increase conversions. In this walkthrough, we'll use a popular Shopify app called Judge.me to get a review section showing on your product pages without any coding. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're on your Shopify dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Apps. This is where you manage all the tools and add-ons connected to your store. On the apps page, you'll see different options. Look for something like all recommended apps and click on that. This helps you discover apps that work well with Shopify. Next, you'll see a link or button that says something along the lines of discover more in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click that to open the Shopify App Store in a new view. In the App Store, move to the search bar at the top and type Judge.me product reviews. This is a well-known reviews app that integrates easily with Shopify. When the search results load, click on the Judge.me product reviews app to open its details page. Here you can quickly scan the description, ratings, and pricing if you like. But when you're ready, click on install. Shopify will then ask you to confirm the installation and the permissions the app needs. Review the information and click install again to approve. After a moment, you'll be taken into the Judge.me quick setup process. You'll see a few onboarding screens. On the first couple of steps, you can simply click Next. If you're not ready to configure detailed settings, choose Skip for now when that option appears. You might see another prompt where you can click Skip again. You can always come back later to customize emails, language, or advanced behavior. Continue by clicking Next until you reach the step that asks you to enable the app embed. This is important because it allows the review features to appear on your actual product pages. Click on Enable App Embed, and Shopify will open your theme editor. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a toggle next to the Judge.me embed. Make sure this toggle is turned on, then click Save in the top right corner. That activates the app within your theme. Now go back to the Judge.me setup page in your previous tab and click Next. You'll see an option to install Review widget. Click that, and you'll be taken back into the theme editor again, this time focusing on the review widget itself. Once more, click Save. This ensures the review section is added properly to your product page layout. After that final save, you're done. Your customers will now see a review area on your product pages where they can leave feedback and ratings, helping you build credibility and improve your store over time.